I attempted to complete an interview for purposes of first appearance, and I was unable to complete the interview. Ms. Dickerson became aggressive and
All right, so I didn't catch the name on this person. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, that'd be number 5, Miss Misha Dickerson.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, as a preliminary issue, I believe that there are 1077 issues at play. I am raising competency. I attempted to complete an interview for purposes of first appearance, and I was unable to complete the interview. Ms. Dickerson became aggressive and made some statements that made me concerned for her competency.
So you're requesting an evaluation at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wait, Your Honor, I don't believe the court has any authority to order an evaluation until charges have been filed. She actually has to be pending charges for competency to be raised. So I think we could proceed with the first appearance at this time, set a arraignment date, and then we can address the 1077 at that time.
No, that makes sense. I apologize. But if just to give context to any outbursts that might occur, that's what's going on.
Understood. Thank you. All right. So, Ms. Dickerson, I did review a probable cause statement in your file. This is case number 23-1501-08. Made a finding of probable cause for felony harassment, domestic violence, assault for domestic violence, and resisting arrest. Given the information I have, I'm going to appoint Mr. Goodday at this time to represent.
Hey, no, that's conflict of interest. My husband had him, and that's who these are on. So no.
And Your Honor, Ms. Dickerson did raise that briefly. I did discuss it with Mr. Marr, and he's indicated that Mr. Goodday has represented her on other matters and did not appear to have a conflict.
Yes, I told him that on my last case that he was supposed to be on.
So.
Right. Well, at this time, I guess my concern is of appointing him. If there is a potential conflict, that's simply going to delay the matter.
We ran a conflicts check. We are aware.
He did William Dickerson last year. He's the one that sent Will upstate. William is who I am married to.
Okay, hold on, ma'am.
So I don't have anything further to add. I spoke with Mr. Marr. That's why I was a moment or two late to getting back to the computer, because I had discussed that issue with you.
Appoint him as my attorney, because that is a conflict of interest. A major conflict of interest.
All right. Well, Mr. Phelan, before I appoint, is there someone else in your office who could be appointed? About that, since he's one of the alleged.
I don't know. I suppose the court could just appoint the Office of Public Defense, and we could see. I don't know individual folks that might how this would work. So I guess if the court just wanted to appoint the Office of Public Defense, we could rerun a conflicts check, and if there are no issues, we could assign someone internally. Otherwise.
Okay, let's
do that.
Given the circumstances, I'm going to appoint Office of Public Defense at this time. Then I'll set this. Well, first off, Mr. Britton, state's position on release.
Yes, Your Honor. I note that the defendant's had 9 prior bench warrants for her arrest. She's currently pending 2 counts of assault in the 4th degree, domestic violence, and resisting arrest. Those are from this month, and I believe with the same victim. Does also have 2 prior convictions for assault in the 3rd degree from August of 2020. We do have concerns about.
That was on a cop. That was on a cop, not my husband. Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm going to have you just please hold on your comments, please.
No, I'm walking out.
Your Honor, we're asking for the court to set bail at $10,000 in this case. And to impose conditions of release and to impose the no contact order.
You said there's already a pending matter with the same alleged victim
in municipal court, Your Honor.
Is there a protection order in that case?
I did not get an opportunity to look that up when I was getting ready for this docket.
I would be surprised if there was, because it wasn't included as a charge in the problem. Like the other, if there's a protection order, I would assume the cops would have run him and they would have confirmed that. So I would suspect that there maybe isn't.
All right.
And Your Honor, just for Ms. Dickerson's perspective, she of course vigorously denies these charges, believes that she is the alleged victim. And so we would ask the court to release her on her own recognizance so that justice may be served.
Thank you. Based on the history, pending charges, as well as my reading of the probable cause statement, I am going to set bail at this time at the 10,000. I'm also going to include the no contact order. And then a second here. Set arraignment on the 8th of June. That'd be at you want that at 9 or 10:30, Mr. Phelan, at this point?
Let's do 9 o'clock because I'm on the 10:30 docket, Your Honor.
9 a.m. appearance on the 8th. I'm going to sign a standard order pending trial, including the blue sheet, require 10 court, follow the no contact order. And I assume charges will be filed, and Mr. Phelan, if your office wants to raise 1077 issues prior to that time, that can be done ex parte.
Understood, Your Honor. We'll keep an eye out for that information.